In today's video, I will show you how to use Zubtitle to generate captions for long-form as well as short-form videos, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. I will also tell you how you can get some discount on their plans. The major advantage of Zubtitle over Submagic is you can caption long-form videos here, which is not currently possible in Submagic. Now let's see how to use Zubtitle. Click the first link in my description and you will be redirected to the Zubtitle page. If you don't have an account, then sign in. I already have an account, so I will click here on Login. On this page, I will click here on Sign in with Google and I can choose the Gmail ID that I want to use. After signing in, you will see a page like this. Click here on Add New Video and then click here anywhere on this blank area. Select any video for which you want to generate subtitles or captions. It can be a short-form video or a long video. Now the video will start uploading, so wait for some time. After the video gets uploaded, you can trim it from the beginning or from the end according to your needs, or you can just go ahead without trimming the video. I will trim the video from the end and then click here on Trim Video. After you do this, Zubtitle will generate the captions for your video. I will play the video to show you that the captions are ready.
Alex told me that he did a route once and on his way up realized that he hadn't brought any chalk.
Now if you don't like this existing text, you can click here on Templates and you can choose any other template. I will select this one. Click on Apply. Now let's check how the captions look.
Alex told me that he did a route once and on his way up realized that he hadn't brought any chalk.
The captions are way better now. There are a lot of templates available. You can choose any of them. Click here on AI and you will get a lot of amazing features. Click on Generate Headline and this AI will generate a headline for your video. You can click on Copy to Video to add this headline to the video. You can click on Generate Summary to get a short description of your video. There are also other features like Generate Social Media Post and Generate Hashtags. You can generate timeline to add timestamps in YouTube. If you want to make some custom changes to the font, you can do it from here. As you can see, there are a lot of options available. You can add motion to text, you can add logos, progress bar, etc. You can even resize the video to post it either as a YouTube video, Shorts, Reels, or IGTV video. After making all the necessary changes, you can download the video, but Zubtitle is a paid tool. So click here on Upgrade and then click View Plans. Here we have 3 plans: Bootstrapper, Guru, and Agency. The Bootstrapper plan is free and provides all the features, but you can make captions for only 2 videos per month with a maximum duration of 20 minutes. The resolution is also restricted to 720p. The Guru plan provides all the features, allows captioning 10 videos per month with a duration of 20 minutes per video, 4K resolution and premium support. The Agency plan has similar features, with the only difference being you can caption 30 videos per month. Now, in order to get discount, I will recommend going for the annual billing because it will provide you extra 2 months free access, meaning you will pay for only 10 months and can use it for 12 months. So based on the plan that you want, select the Switch plan option. I am selecting the Agency plan here. You can enter your payment details here and then confirm your payment. If you want to know how to make captions like Mr. Beast, then check out this video. And if you found this video helpful, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.